In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with an Amazon gift card. By the end, you'll know exactly how your gift card balance works at checkout and how to make sure it's applied the way you expect. First, redeem your gift card to your account so the funds are available. Go to your account, open the gift card section, and check your balance. When you redeem a gift card there, the amount is added to your Amazon gift card balance. That balance sits on your account and is ready to use across eligible purchases on Amazon. Think of it like store credit that Amazon will pull from before charging any other payment method. Now, shop as you normally would. Sign in to the same account where you redeemed the card, then browse your region's Amazon site and add the items you want to your cart. When you're ready, go to your cart and select Proceed to Checkout. At checkout, look for the Payment section. Amazon typically applies your gift card balance automatically to eligible items, so in most cases, you won't need to do anything special. If you see an option like Use your gift card balance, make sure it's turned on. If your balance fully covers the order, you're all set. No additional charge will be made to your cards. If your balance doesn't cover the total, Amazon will automatically charge the remaining amount to your default payment method, such as a credit or debit card. It's a good idea to confirm which card is selected so the remainder goes where you want it. When everything looks right, finish by selecting Place your order. Your order confirmation will reflect how much was paid with your gift card balance and how much, if any, was charged to your card. You can also see this breakdown in your order details. A quick example makes this crystal clear. Let's say your gift card balance is $50 and your cart totals $70. At checkout, Amazon applies the $50 from your balance first, then automatically charges the remaining $20 to your selected payment method. Simple and seamless. Here are a few helpful tips as you check out. Your gift card balance is tied to your specific Amazon region, so make sure you're shopping on the correct site. If you recently redeemed a card and don't see the funds, recheck the gift card section under your account to confirm the balance posted. And if your balance seems not to apply, verify that the items are eligible and that the Use Your Gift Card Balance option is selected. That's all there is to it. Redeem, shop, check out, and place your order with confidence.